Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and I am finally back in Singapore. Today's video is about unboxing the Onewheel.
It's like time is going faster than it seems. We were just...
You know what guys, I am going to get a much wider lens. Give me a second.
Beside when we should ever try to go to sleep. Remember every weekend we stayed up late and then went home to me. I wish that I could live
XR. Once you open the box, the owner's manual is here. Welcome to the ultimate riding experience. Okay. Got a Onewheel sticker. I'm probably gonna paste this behind my car. This charger actually looks really neat. Ooh. It just feels pretty light. Okay. It's telling me that I need to get the app. I already downloaded the app. Okay. And this is my Onewheel. Sorry about that. Okay, name cards. They chose a very good mascot. A lab retriever. Favorite dog. Now that I'm done with the unboxing, let me just run through all the accessories that I have gotten for the XR before it even arrived. So yeah, let's just do a really quick run. That's the Onewheel standing on a customized stand that I got from the website. I got the flight pins. These will mount onto the fenders, and got all these instruction manuals. Got the screws over here. Let's get this out of the way. Now this other box that I have over here also arrived from Future Motion. I haven't unboxed it. I was actually waiting until I received the XR. The Onewheel Mafia bag. One of the reasons why I decided to get the Onewheel Mafia bag is because of the material that they were using. I used to be a huge windsurfing guy when I was a lot younger, and obviously these are from the recycled material from the sails. So it's just one of those very sentimental things. Very well designed, I think. Oh, okay, there we go. This, I think, is built very well. I'm liking the build quality on this bag. So this is gonna be the bag I'll use to carry the Onewheel around. I bought the charger pouch as well. I've got the Onewheel car holder. That they make such great videos, and I must say that they did a really good job with the marketing. And I saw it on Instagram immediately, I thought like, hey, you know, if I'm going to be carrying my Onewheel around, I definitely don't want it running all over my boot, so I got the Onewheel car holder. Okay. Let me just put this back. I've got this holder as well so that I can lift the XR by the side. What else did I get? Let me see. I got the float plates. You can get these from the Float Life. I've gotten a set. Oh, these are the side plates. Yeah, so you could then protect the sides of your XR and make sure it doesn't get scratched up too bad. These are the screws that I bought, and these are the float plates. So I could use the bumper, but I've decided to use these instead because I do not want to scratch the underside of the bumper. So this is from Jeff McCosker, and these were the replacements that I got as well. Yeah, because I wanted black, so he sent up the black ones to me. Got a set of transparent ones as well. And hey Jeff, how do you know I like drinking beer? Thanks so much for this, thank you. Wrist guards, very, I think it's an essential piece of equipment, the wrist guards. I used to wear these a lot when I was skateboarding, and I still think that these are very important when you fall. If you don't have these wrist guards, you're gonna be in for a lot of trouble. Okay, so what else did I get? The Onewheel XR bumpers. I will not be using these for now. I just bought these as a backup. So I will try my best to have them installed. This is the stock looking version of the XR. I have not tried using it. I'll see how easy it is for me to actually just step on and ride the Onewheel without knowing what to expect. I've seen a lot of videos, and in fact this is gonna be the first time I'm gonna be trying it. I'll be very happy to share that same experience with you guys. So there is one other thing that I left out. These are the replacement grip tape from Craft and Ride. I still have one more item actually, and that's the I bought the fender as well. This is the original Onewheel fender. Okay, it's all fixed up. Got the fender, the handles, the side plates, the float plates. Yep, it's all installed now. And I guess all that is left is for a test ride on this thing. I'm ready. Let's turn this thing on. Alright. So, do this. Ooh. First time on the Onewheel. I guess it helps if you can balance quite well. Back, forward, back, forward. Now I understand what the Float Life is all about. And then how you're supposed to stop is you're supposed to do, let's see.
Never growing up, said we'd be young forever. You taught me how to love, and nothing could be better than you and me, baby, it was you and me.
I haven't used the app yet.
I thought we had it all. Take me back to when it was you and me, baby, it was you and me.
I'm gonna try it too. Alright, first starts with the Onewheel. I've had a few near misses. It can definitely be quite unforgiving if you're not careful. I'm actually not as dexterous as I was when I was younger. I'm 41 years old, I think I better try to take it a little bit easier. Gonna give it some time, and then as I get a little bit better, I will try to upload more videos with my Onewheel. Well, I'm just gonna conclude the video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up, and I will see you very soon in my next DYU update. Ciao, bye. So yeah, that basically concludes the